Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Holon Oluwayinde, also known as Safaya Juaf, one of the economic developer within the Kringle society. This afternoon, I'll be talking on don't listen to them. You'll be wondering, who are those that you should not listen to? The naysayers. Don't just fall for their tricks. The billion coin is God's own project. The billion coin has proven to be God's own project. The billion coin community has proven over the last 5 years to be a solution to the problem of humanity. The billion coin comes with freedom, with love, joy, happiness, thankfulness, and abundance. The billion coin is a community of love and respect. This has been proven over the last 5 years. Don't listen to all the naysayers. Don't listen to all the slanderers out there. Don't listen to everyone that is trying to hijack your birthright from you. Don't listen to as many who are saying TBC is nothing. I encourage you, stay focused. Ask yourself, why are you in TBC? For as many of us who understand the mission and the purpose of TBC, we can never be moved. Irrespective of what anybody offer, nothing whatsoever can change us from our point, our focus in TBC. Irrespective of any program, anything coming on board, there can never be anyone like TBC. Guys, especially the active members within the Kringle community, the Kringle society, I'm encouraging you and I'm urging you, don't listen to naysayers. Don't listen to those who will pollute your mind. And you know what? Don't listen to as many people who wants to take away your birthright. We are building an economy from ground up. It is not ordinary. So we are not like every other coin. We are different. We are separate. TBC community is a unique community. So you need to understand what TBC stands for. Guys, several times we have been taught in the mass adoption training on what it takes to build a skyscraper. Don't compare yourself with all these builders of wishy-washy buildings. We are building a strong and formidable community with the focus of helping humanity, with the focus of restoring back to humanity what is due to them. So guys, I encourage you, stay focused. Don't listen to the naysayers. Remain active within the Kringle community. Follow every instructions and every guidance that is being given within the community. Always attend the mass adoption training and every other trainings by all various leaders within the community. Let us continue to stay strong. We are proud of being a TBC and we will continue to be proud of being a TBCs. We are not going to lose our birthright to any form of program whatsoever. In TBC, we stand. In TBC, we will remain. Every other program coming will not take away that passion and that love that we have for TBC. So guys, I encourage you, stand focused. The purpose of TBC is to change and to remove the inequality, to restore humanity back to the abundance that rightfully belongs to them. So guys, I encourage you, stay focused. TBC is our birthright. The billion coin is a community of love and respect. So don't lose your birthright. Thank you. I love you all. Stay focused and subscribe to this channel for subsequent broadcasts. Cheers.